Namaste, beautiful people. Have you ever felt the need of being healed in some part of your lives? As humans, we need humans in each and every part of our lives. Whether it's business, finance, emotions, physical, mental, or even relationships. There is an innate need of being needed and healed. Research says that 83% of the diseases can be cured through the medium of healing. Friends, when we go through catastrophic events, we are broke. And to overcome these events, we can use the medium of healing. Exactly 1 month before the pandemic started, I was hospitalized under emergency due to the fever of 104 degrees Celsius. After series of investigations, I had been diagnosed and positive for dengue. I was there for 14 odd days in the city, in a Mumbai city of the suburban hospital. For 6 days, series of bottles of IV fluids were given to me. Painkillers were given to me. Since then also there was no sign of recovery. On the seventh day, the doctors decided to give me platelets because my platelets were down for below 20,000. And after giving platelets, the doctor said, Pyle, we have done our best. Now it is up to you and your body to fight with those cells. I was scared. I had nightmares. Slowly, steadily, I did my affirmations. I did my chanting. And also, this affirmations and chanting gave me power. Slowly, I started eating even though I had no appetite of eating. And then I recovered from dengue. But little did I knew, again I had a small infection because of dengue, and the doctor said I have to undergo the operation. And I was scared. I never wanted to go under the knife. So after 2 rounds of series of doctors, and after 2 rounds of opinion, I came with the third doctor. I met him, and he said, "Payal, we don't need to do the operation, but we will do a small surgery where it would be of 10 minutes, and where we will give you local anesthesia." And after the doctor gave me the local anesthesia and the surgery, I bounced back in couple of days of recovery, and today I am speaking with you all in all the mighty and hale and being hearty. When I was in hospital, I was sharing a room with a girl named Kavita. She was 26 years old and she was from Palghar, which is nearby Mumbai city. She looked like a 9-year-old school kid. She had cerebral palsy. Sudden midnight, she started crying out loud in pain and agony, and she started speaking to her father in Marathi language. Baba, I am in too much pain. Please help me. I am in too much pain. I don't want to live anymore. I don't want to live anymore. However, the doctors on duty attended her and she was under the treatment. The next day, I decided, I asked the hospital nurse to take me to her. I went to her, I exchanged the greeting, I spoke to her. I asked her, what do you like? She said she likes to sing. I requested her to please sing a song, one of her favorite songs she sang with a beautiful mellowed voice and with a smile, and the eyes were shining while she was singing. I appreciated her and I wished her a speedy recovery. After 1 month, her mother calls me up and she says, Kavita wants to speak to you. And I said yes, and Kavita invited me to her annual day function where she said, I want you to come and cheer me up because I'm going to sing. I went and she sang the song, and that's it. She was very much happy meeting me at her annual day function. So, friends, you never know when you speak to somebody, something clicks inside them. Even though I was in pain, I took action and reached out to her, spoke to her. So my mission is to take that action and bring in a positive change and encourage those hundreds and thousands and millions of Kavita in life who are weak, who are weakest at their best. So even a Mother Teresa Quotes, a hug can heal, a touch can heal, a smile can heal. You never know, friends, with a small talk or with a listening ear to somebody, even a random person or even a loud one. Something might be going in the stressful days. Just by speaking only, some you can touch upon their heart and the healing begins there. My belief is our own healing is powerful contribution to the healing of the world. Affirmations will keep you going. Affirmation will keep you going. Will be keeping you going. A simple touch, a simple smile, a warm hug to your loved ones or to anybody who is in that innate need of being there, being heard, and getting healed will keep you going. Namaste. Thank you very much. God bless us all.